Hi there, my name is Kyla Plaxton and I'm with Acupressure Academy. I have done thousands of acupressure points on thousands of people and help relieve various symptoms. And today what I want to do is go over a recipe that you can do seated, meaning like you can always sit down, but like if you're stuck at work or in a car or just waiting, or you're a senior and you like sit a lot, so something that if you have a hard time and like wanting to get that energy flowing, and I've created this recipe to help with all that. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is reach over under the arm, and the scapula, there's like a bone here, right? So reach a little bit farther till you hit the muscly bits, kind of rub that a little bit, and then pick kind of the largest one. It's usually like in the center of the scapula. You might have a hard time reaching, something you could work toward, and then I just rest your hand there. Hopefully you can still hear me. My microphone's tucked in there somewhere. Don't try to hold both on both sides. That can be a bit too much. I can reach, but not everybody will be able to do that. So just focus on one side. We're gonna take in 3 nice, long, slow, and deep breaths here. Ready? And another one. And one more. So reach up, shake those fingers, and then let's go to the other side. Again, feeling that scapula line, reaching those rolly muscles there, finding the largest one, and then pressing into it. Actually, I'm gonna go over here. This might be better for you. Just try. Every body is different, so how you get there is not as important as long as you get there. So you wanna find the rolly bits of muscle that's all right against the scapula bone, and hold and breathe. Some of the muscles they can be quite tight and large, so you can put 2 fingers on to kind of get in there a bit better. Awesome. All right, so if we're gonna keep going here, we're gonna find another spot that's on the back ridge of the shoulder. So if your shoulder was a mountain, there's the top of the mountain, and you go down just a little bit, you'll feel a ridge on the edge of a muscle here. You're gonna push in and down and toward the opposite side. Here we can do both sides at the same time. So push in and down and toward the opposite side. I hope that's making sense to you. If you want to feel it's like a muscle band, right? And you're going right on top of it, but not on the top of your shoulder. So come down there, and 3 nice, slow, deep breaths. One more. Sometimes I can feel like if one is unlocking, you can feel it somewhere else, because that's on a meridian line, right? So it's like a river, an energy river, and you're clearing the debris down the river, and so now the river's flowing, and then it kind of hits other debris, right? So if you feel that movement, that's great, and if you don't, that's okay too. I recommend practicing daily. Oh, that sun's like really hitting me in the face here, but that's okay. I love the sun. So now the next one, what we're gonna do is a kidney rub, that kidney meridian. So you wanna see if you can bend over as much as you can. If you can, just let your head hang. and you want to rub the kidneys pretty fast, right where the indent of the muscle is here, and just get that stimulated. And breathe. Good. Or another thing you can do is just tap it. Tap that, get that moving. Imagine breathing that energy up the spine. That's where all in the dantian here, all the base chi from the universe for your access comes through there. So you want to loosen that up. Well, I hope that you're feeling relaxed and realigned and revitalized. Make sure that you drink plenty of water, and I always recommend to squeeze like about half a lemon into a liter jar of water and drink that. That helps keep that energy moving, that flow of fluidity, and help get any of that stagnation out of the body and getting that moving. If you would like some deeper support or have something else that you're dealing with that you'd love some help with, feel free to add yourself to the Acupressure Academy Facebook community in Facebook. You just type in Acupressure Academy, that's acupressure with 1 C. And I go on live there every Thursday at noon, and I can help you deal with whatever you like. Okay, I can help with, what meridian things are on and maybe pressure points for that sort of thing, okay? I'm just getting so sunned out here. But yeah, it's been a beautiful session with you, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now. 'Cause the morning sun is stretching every smile.